Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to 2017. And this is Tech, and today I'm gonna do the review and unboxing of the Hcman budget backlit mechanical keyboard. It is a compact 87 key layout, ergonomic design with N key rollover and 1000 polling rate, and also it has a dustproof feature. So here's the back of the box. It has a gaming grade card chip and key rollover and 60 million keystrokes and 1000 polling rate. But I more prefer to that 1000 polling rate because it only has a 0.1 millisecond delay. So you would get like more advantages during the gaming. So from the box we have a keyboard that is covered with the Hcman wax paper, and a keyboard itself, and a keycap puller, and instruction manuals. Yes, the instruction manual is in English. Alright. So I'm going to talk about the keyboard. The keyboard is 87 keys layout and they use the standard keycaps, and the top shelf of the keyboard is sandblasted aluminum plate, and there is a large brand on top of the direction arrow keys. So the back of the keyboard, it has two rubber feet and two flipper feet, but the flipper feet are not rubber coated, they are just plastic. And I'm going to talk about the USB cable. The USB cable, it is braided USB cable, and the USB connector is not the gold plated, but the USB cable is braided, so it means it is more durable than the other rubber coated USB cable. So I like that feature in the budget mechanical keyboard. So the keycap is double shot ABS legend keycap. The double shot means there are two pieces of plastic combined to make a keycap. And the key switch is CK blue key switch. It is a little bit different than the other atomic blue switch, and it features a dustproof technology, but it does not have a hot swappable key switch. So this is the backlit color of the Hcman mechanical keyboard, and also it is pretty similar to other cheap mechanical keyboard. The backlight are fixed on the board, so the orange, white, green, purple, blue, red, they are not interchangeable. It is not true RGB backlit mechanical keyboard. And also the keycap fonts, they are not like the gamer keycap fonts, but what I see is, as you can see right here, the lights are not go through some keycaps, so I think it is due to the keycap design. And here's the lighting effects of this keyboard. So you can change the lighting mode by doing the Fn and the F9, and also you can change the brightness of this keyboard by doing the page up and the page down, as you can see here. And also you can change the speed of the positive mode by doing the minus and the plus. I will go through one by one. So this is the positive mode, and so I will decrease the brightness and increase the brightness, and also I can change the speed. So minus will be slower and the plus will be faster. So this is another one. It is a reactive mode. This is another one. This is the same as the other keyboard. So this is a breathing mode, positive breathing mode. Oh wow, this look pretty interesting. Yeah, and another one. Wow, that is pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Another one, I think. Okay, so yeah, I think I can change the speed. Yes, so you can also change this lightning speed with the minus and the plus. So yeah, but the plus is really fast. Another one. So this is off. Yes, this is off. So the lightning effects are pretty much interesting. And also you can lock the window key by doing an Fn and the window key. So this will activate the window key, and this would lock the window key. And also the scroll lock and the caps lock will light up when you pressed it. And also they have a N key rollover or the 6 key rollover. So the default is a 6 key rollover, and then you can change to N key rollover by doing an Fn and the scroll lock. So those two key combination are for the N key rollover, and the Fn and the pause is the 6 key rollover. And also this keyboard feature the specific key sliding effects by doing the Fn, and the 5 is gonna be the RTS, 6 is the FPS, and 7 is the typist, and 4 is reset. And also you can save your own profile up to 3 from 1 CM1 to 3 is your specific profile. So what I'm doing is I will show you how to record your specific keys to light up. So I will press Fn and the CM1 is gonna be your profile 1, and also you press the Fn and the escape. So those caps lock and those two keys will light up with blinking. So at that time you can press it, so it will light up. And then you press the Fn and the escape button again, so it will save it. So this is profile 1, 2. I didn't do anything on 2, and then profile 3, 4 is reset. So here's the typing test of this keyboard. So here's a review and unboxing of the Hcman budget backlit mechanical keyboard. I got this one for $33 during its Christmas sale, and it is pretty much cheaper than the other backlit mechanical keyboard. I will put the product link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want to support my channel. If you have any other questions, you can always ask me in the comment section below, or you can hit me up on Twitter. Thanks for watching and have a good day.